boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So we have Nina Nesbitt here. Not sure if we had her before on this channel. Anyway, this song is called Dinner Table. So great song with a great message to kind of think of your family and value the people that are around you closely. So great song, great message there. Pretty easy to play as well. So let's start right away. No need for any capo on this one. And we have 5 different chords to go over here. So let's start with the chords. The first one will be E. Okay, so that is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. And now the next following chords here we will play in a kind of open fashion. So I'm going to explain what that means. For instance, next chord, C sharp minor 7, like that. So normally when we have the C sharps like this, we have bars, but we will keep this, like I said, open. So no need for any bar here. So that will be 3rd here on A string, 6 on D string, 6 on G, and then open B and open E. Gives you that airy feeling here for this chord. So C sharp minor 7. Then we have the F sharp minor. This is technically an F sharp minor 11. So what you do there is like this. So that is 2nd on E, and then I usually mute the next A string there. I'll just lean this index finger, which I'm using on the E string, lean it on top, like this, on the A string. So that is muted. And then comes the 4th on D string, 2nd on G, and again open B and open E. So an open F sharp chord there. Next chord will be this one. Again, a little bit open, airy. This is technically an A sus2. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, open B again, and open E. And the final chord we need is the B sus. Okay? So that is 2nd on A, 4th on D, 4th on G, and again open B and open E. So open chords like this. Beautiful. All right, so there we have the 5 chords: E, C sharp, F sharp, A, and B. All right, so this one, most of this song will go in the following chord progression: E, C sharp, F sharp, A, and B. All right, so we will start to play the first verse here, only downs. And it goes like this for E, 16 downs. And then C sharp, 16 downs. And then F sharp minor, 16 downs. And then A, 8 downs, and B, 8 downs. So there you have 1 round. You're gonna play 2 rounds of the same chord progression and way of playing, and that will be the first verse. So let's go for another round here without any speaking and me interfering. So let's go, starting with E. And what I like to do when I just do the downstrokes, I like to kind of alternate the bass and the tops, so it doesn't get like this. It's a very aggressive way of playing. I don't like this for this song. So what I do there, we can take the E here for instance. I play bass, bass, top, bass. So rounds of that. So bass, bass, top, bass, 1 round, bass, bass, top, bass. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and so on, and then switch. That's just me of how I play this one to get some variations in the playing. So 2 rounds of that chord progression in the same way, and that will be the first verse. That takes us to the chorus in the lyrics, 3 generations born in different decades. And that will be played in the same way as the verse. So you're gonna play another 2 rounds of the same chords and the same kind of playing here. 16, 16, 16, 8, 8 for the chords in that order. And that will take us to the second verse. All right. For the second verse now, it will be needed for strumming there. If you look at this song, there's a live version as well. And she's playing in there with this strumming, which is down, 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 up. And that works pretty well also to this recorded version here, which we are using this tutorial for. So the second verse, it will be starting with the same chords, of course. And if we take this E, for instance, that will be the first chord. We'll look at the strumming. And like I said, down, 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 up is 1 round. So it goes like this. All right, so down, 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 up. That is 1 round. So down, 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 up. All right. And in the same way here, I try to alternate the bass and top strings. So for this, I'm gonna play bass, bass, and then top, top, top. All right, so bass for the first 2 downs, and top for the down, down, up. And top, I mean the top strings, the higher strings down there, okay? So bass, bass, top, top, top. You're gonna play 4 strumming rounds for E, 4 strumming rounds for C sharp, 4 for F sharp, and then 2 for A and 2 for B. All right, and you will play that for only 1 round. So only 1 round, and that will be the second verse. That takes us to the second chorus, and you will continue to play the same strumming as we played for this second verse. And you will play the same chords as well, and you do that for 2 rounds. So you just continue the strumming here for 2 rounds. And that takes us to the bridge part. In the lyrics, all the good old days, and the city lights, and so on. All right. You will continue the strumming here, but it's different chords now. And we will have 4 kind of rounds of this chord progression, but the chord progression will change a little bit. And the difference here is which chord we're starting with. The rest is the same. So it starts with the A. So you have 2 strumming rounds for each and every chord through this entire bridge part. All right. So the down, 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 up times 2 per chord starts with A, then E, C sharp, and B. All right, so A, E, C sharp, B. Next round will start with F sharp minor. So instead of A, you start with F sharp minor, and the rest will be the same. So F sharp minor, E, C sharp, and B. And the next 2 rounds, round 3 and 4, will be played in the same way as the first round, which means you start with A. So A, E, C sharp, B. A, E, C sharp, B. So that will be like this. And again. to summarize this bridge part, it was about 4 rounds. So the first round was A, E, C sharp, and B. Then you change the first chord. Instead of A, you play the F sharp, and the rest is the same. So F sharp, E, C sharp, B. And the next 2 following final rounds, you play in the same way as the first one, A, E, C sharp, B. And after this bridge part comes just a final ending here in the lyrics, the final line there, as 3 women sing round a dinner table. All right, so what you do there, you're just gonna play 1 down for the following chords, A, B, and beautiful E. And that is actually how Nina Nesbitt's Dinner Table ends. So a great guitar song and a great harmonious melody there, and this lyrics is great as well. So give it a try, Nina Nesbitt, Dinner Table. Hope you enjoy it. If you did, please thumb up, let me know if you did, and subscribe. Yeah, why not? If you haven't yet, so what are you waiting for? Just a click and you will get great songs and even possibilities to wish for songs on Wish Wednesdays. We will bring up songs here on this channel for Wednesdays, and it's based upon your wishes. So have fun and play tuned.